Greetings. This video is a very short video. What we're trying to do is we're trying to test whether the front wheel bearing is going out on this car. So first of all, what we're doing is we're gonna be jacking up the car. Safety number one. So we're trying to do that right there. And the procedure we're gonna do is, like I said, very simple. We're gonna raise the car up, the wheel off the floor, off the ground, and then hold it at 12 o'clock and 3 o'clock position, and then shake it. So I think that's good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a shake test. And here, do you wanna kind of point it like that? Okay. So. Okay. 12 o'clock and then 3 o'clock. Sorry, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So this is 3 o'clock, 9 o'clock. I'm not feeling any wiggle. Can you do a test and see? You can kind of, wiggle it. You feel it? Is there any?
No.
Not a lot?
I don't.
Okay.
Not like back and forth, obviously the wheel is moving.
Sure, yeah. Okay. Yeah, right, back and forth. Okay. So you want to lower it down and we'll do the text. We'll do the test on the next one?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yep. Perfect. Do that. Go ahead. And the reason why we're doing this is because as the car is accelerating, it's making this loud noise, like we don't have a video to show that to you, but we're trying to eliminate what the causes might be, and we're checking to make sure that the wheel bearings are not going out, because if they are, then it should be when you hold the wheels like this and then shake it back and forth, it should be wiggling a little bit. There should be a give. So we did the left one first and there wasn't any significant movement, so we're trying to test on the right one. Looks like it's off the ground. Did you wanna do both?
I'm trying to like wiggle it. What, like?
Yeah, like that, like that. You know, if it's shaking.
Yeah, no,
it's tight, right?
It's not really wiggling.
Okay, let's try this.
And if it is, you're really forcing it.
Yeah. Nope. I don't feel any wiggle. So we're gonna do the rear right as well, since it's off the ground. We'll do that. So you want to give it a wiggle?
Yeah, no, that one I can't get to move. Well, let me. Yeah, you can try this one.
Okay, sure. Sure. Nope, none at all. No, this one is rock solid. There is no movement.
Yeah.
But compared to the left rear or right rear, it seems like the
A little bit more loose.
yeah, the right front is a little. You can feel a bit of a movement. So yeah, so this is just a comparison. Little bit compared to the rear right. Okay, should we do the rear left? You want to lower it? Okay, cool. Yeah, we should have done it the first time, but we forgot to do that. You go that way. Much. All right. I'm gonna jack it up again. Whew. It's a perfect day to do it. Freezing 20 degrees. Winter day in New England. But the sun is out. So we're taking advantage of the sun. Yes, yeah. So do a test here. You want to give it a shot?
Yeah. Yep, that one isn't moving at all.
Okay. All right.
So it seems like the front two have a little bit of.
Yep. Yep. Rock solid. So we'll do one more time. The front left. If you don't mind. Just for practice. It's not something we do every month or every week. Do this only when we need to test this. So just to educate ourselves. That's all. Oh, you can bump it up a little bit. Okay, great. Perfect. Tiny bit. Yeah, you can kind of feel it when you kind of wiggle it. You know, you can feel it's not like a very big movement, big pronounced, but you can kind of feel a little bit of looseness compared to the ones that are rigid. The rear two are really rigid. You can't even, you have to be holding really tight and trying to move the whole wheel, you know, back and forth like that, holding at a comfortable position. But there's a bit of a give. So the front two are suspects. Conclusion. That's the conclusion. All right. Thank you.